Hello, class of 2024. Welcome to Binghamton University and congratulations on being a Bearcat. And hi to all the family members, moms, dads, sisters, and brothers. It's going to be a great semester. Looking forward to it. A lot of the things that we do to welcome students are going to be in place, but certainly we're going to be respecting social distancing. But other than that, we want it to be as fun as possible. One of the things that we try to do every year is a tradition that we call the B, the Big B picture. For example, on move-in, we would take all of the first-year students and transfer students, give them a white or a green t-shirt, and they would form a giant, couple hundred feet wide, iconic B, either on our turf field or on our P squad. Well, obviously we can't do that with social distancing this year. You've all sent us photos, and you're going to find yourself in the picture that I'm going to show you in a minute. I've seen it. It looks awesome. You ready? Without further ado, here's the new virtual bee. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Find the link in the comments section of this video, click on it, you'll go to the picture, and then search for yourself and find yourself in the Big B. Welcome to Binghamton. Good luck with your classes. Most of all, stay safe.